Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to create a successful meme page. First, define your niche. This helps attract a dedicated audience. Next, craft a unique brand identity with a consistent visual style. Your username should be catchy, and your profile picture instantly recognizable. Finally, write a compelling bio that clearly communicates your page's humor and purpose. These initial steps are crucial for building. Now, let's talk about creating awesome content. Stay updated on current trends and popular meme formats to keep your feed fresh. Always use high-resolution images and ensure your text is easy to read. Strive to create original memes that truly connect with your chosen niche. Consistency is key. Aim to post at least 1 to 3 times every single day to maintain engagement and grow your reach. With the track and posts in place, it is time to prepare and mount your gate. Attach the appropriate rollers or wheels to the bottom of your gate frame, typically 2 to 4 depending on gate length. Then, mount the guide rollers to the top of your gate posts, allowing about 1/2 inch clearance. Carefully lift and position the gate onto the ground track, ensuring the rollers engage correctly. Test the gate's movement to confirm it slides freely and smoothly without any binding. Finally, let's explore how to monetize your successful meme page. One common method is offering sponsored posts to brands that align with your niche. You can also design and sell merchandise, like t-shirts or stickers, featuring your most popular memes. Affiliate marketing, promoting products your audience genuinely enjoys, is another great option. For dedicated fans, consider offering exclusive content through a paid subscription model to generate additional revenue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.